Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer and I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak how to stop cancer, and this is one of the most successful treatments for cancer. Okay. There are two options to stop the cancer. The first is very old, and chances are 80% for the normal cancer, and so on. You make water fasting for 4 to 6 weeks. This means you drink only water and eat nothing. Before that, you have made a colon intestine cleaning with Epsom salt. Then the body will eat the cancer. Very simple thing. Because the body cannot find any calories, so what is not necessary for the body, and the cancer is not necessary. Okay, easy, but hard to do. The next chances are 70%, and it's much easier for you, but more complicated. So the cancer cells need 10 to 30 times more glucose, this means blood sugar, than normal cells, and don't need any oxygen. So if the blood glucose is below 60 milligrams per deciliter, the cancer cells cannot get nutrition to grow. And if you are under 60 milligrams per deciliter on glucose and eat 2-deoxyglucose, the cancer will die. So the first step is you take sodium bicarbonate, this means baking powder, the first days 4 times 1 tablespoon until the pH of your body is above pH 7.5. Because the cancer wants an acid body. And with a baking powder, you push up the pH to 7.5. Okay. You check after 2 hours when you have eaten your saliva, this is better, or urine. If it's above 7.5, you have reached your goal. And then you need only to take for the next days 3 times 1 teaspoon baking powder. Okay. The second step, this is more important. You change your diet to a ketogenic diet. This means you eat low carbohydrate food, similar to diabetes diet, but much better. This means you eat mainly fatty things, oily fatty things, even meat you can eat, but no rice. You can eat low carbohydrate vegetables. Okay, and you combine all of that, also nuts and so on. Then you check your urine with ketogenic sticks. So, for instance, they look like this one, and there are sticks inside. You put them fast in and out. Then you pee on it and check if you're on ketogenic diet. So this means after 2 days you check it, and you should be on ketogenic for the next weeks. This means the body converts fat to glucose and don't need to eat carbohydrate food. The ketogenic food is also good for losing weight. Your glucose is then between 70 and 85 milligrams per deciliter. That is crucial. You check both. If you're on ketogenic diet and if your blood glucose is between 70 and 85. Okay, and for this you get a blood sugar tester, and for instance, this here, this AccuCheck from Germany, and here you stitch inside of your finger, get the blood, check it with this one, and easy to do. Okay. If you are sure that you are on this diet for 2 days, check again, blood sugar and so on, then you can make the third step. This means you're on ketogenic diet for 4 days. So, and then you want to keep your blood sugar or blood glucose between 50 milligrams and 59 milligrams. This means it should be all the time below 60 milligram per deciliter. And that is crucial. And I know this is hard to do. But many times in your life or during the diet, it depends of you, your blood sugar is below 60. When you feel tired, and if you didn't have eaten anything, normal case, it's goes below 60. Okay. So, and then you want to eat fast food and so on. So you feel tired. And the next moment you are full of energy, so it's changing very fast. So, then you need to push it below 60. And for this you need insulin. And the best insulin is that it keeps it between 12 and 24 hours below 60 milligrams. And for this is also a special insulin. And the best insulin is glucovane or Gilben chlamydia or something like this one. Okay, per accident I have all the stuff here. This is here from China. It's cheap. 1 pill or 2 pill is enough every day, so that you below 60 milligrams. So, and then you check again. So, if you have reached this goal, that you for 2-3 days, either for 3 days, for 3 days under 60 milligrams per DL, then you change, then you are eating the 2-deoxyglucose for 6 days. During this time, you reduce your calories to 50%. So the first day you start to take 2 times 2-deoxyglucose. First doses are 10 milligrams per kilogram of your body. This means you weigh 70 kilos, then you should take 700 milligrams 2 times a day. And after the second dose should be 50 milligrams per kilogram. This means for 70 kilo it is 1050 milligrams. So then it is, where is it? This should be like this one. It is very, very expensive. One costs about $100. Okay. So the next 5 days, you take 2 times the 2-deoxyglucose. This means the doses are 50 milligrams per kilogram. So after these 14 days altogether, you check your cancer at the hospital. If you remain, and then you remain for the next 14 days on your ketogenic food with only 50% of your calories. So, now it is done. I hope you have success. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.